The difference between recall and recognition is that one, you have the information in front of you, and the other one, it's coming straight out of your head. An example of recall memory is when someone asks you a very general question, like a what is question, and you have to fill in that answer. Recognition would be a multiple choice answer where you have a possible answer in front of you, while recall would be a short answer essay where you have to write down the information straight from your head.
So for recognition, when somebody is to point out the perpetrator, they would be given several different mugshots and ask who did it, or even if they had a lineup, that would be recognition. And recall would be having the person describe how the perpetrator looked like and had somebody draw it.
And perform better with recognition. I think people perform better when they have options in front of you rather than having to rely on your memory or, your brain to help you with things.
For studying for recognition, it's good to write down definitions. That way you have a solid definition to an exact word. But for recall, I like to map out the concepts on a piece of paper.
For an essay, I would definitely study way harder and try and absorb the information. Whereas if it was a multiple choice, when I study, I maybe would just skim over it so that when it comes to the question, if one of the answers stood out to me as I remember that while I was skimming, then I would choose that answer. So essay writing requires more studying and it's a lot harder.